What are you touching me for?
Get your hands on your back.
I have a gun.
Woman arrested for carrying false identity card and driving against traffic on a one-way street. See what happens next.
I don't have my license on me.
You
or
don't?
my insurance.
Alright, give me a sec, I'll be right back. It smells like weed in there, though. Can I talk to you on the sidewalk for a sec? You guys are coming from where?
Right there at the bar.
Okay. Were you guys drinking there or what?
No.
Were you inside at all?
Somebody out.
Okay.
We're going back to the hotel.
Have you had anything to drink tonight? Have you smoked anything? Is there a reason why the car smells like marijuana?
My little cousins were smoking earlier.
Okay. Where are they? They're not in trouble. I'm just.
At the hotel.
They're at the hotel. Is there any marijuana in the car?
There is a little roach.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are there any weapons or anything in there?
No.
Okay.
Except I have my own taser.
You have a taser? Do you have that with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, do you have anything on you right now?
No.
Anything in your pockets? Alright, I'm just going to check your pockets. Just hang on to that. Whose is this ID?
A friend.
You've had nothing to drink tonight?
No.
Not a single thing?
No.
Okay. Just asking. Jason, can you step over the car quick? I thought it was weird. So your name still isn't coming back. Is there a reason for that?
No, you can look me up. I'm like Jaden.
You have it on Facebook?
Yeah, I'll show you right here.
I believe you. It's not popping up for some reason.
Right there.
Okay. And then, like I asked her, is there any weed in the car?
No, you can check the car.
Like okay. Do you have anything on you?
No, you can check it.
All right. These glasses.
Yeah.
Vape.
No.
Okay. Why didn't you tell me that was in there? It's got a gun. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna tase you, bro. Knock it off. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
I retain.
I got it.
I retain.
I got this one. I got this one. I got this one.
I retain.
I got this one.
Okay, stop. Y'all don't got it.
Yep. Relax.
Relax, bro.
Relax.
Relax.
Okay. Relax. Yep. I got him.
Get out of the car now. Okay.
What are you touching me for?
Get your hands on your
I
back.
have a gun. You don't. Hey,
Put your hands behind your back.
just because he did all that, you don't have the right to do all this to me. You cannot arrest me.
You're under arrest right now. You're being detained.
I didn't do anything. You
Over
can't. You cannot do this to me.
Over here.
Hey, you can't. I know my rights. You can't do.
Yes, I can.
No, I didn't do. You can't do this to me. I didn't know he had. I didn't know he had that.
Have a seat in there.
I don't have to get in there.
Have a seat in the car now.
You're putting me right now. I didn't do anything.
Have a seat in the car now.
You can't put me in here.
Oh, slamming me. What the f*** y'all slamming me for?
All right, man. Are you hurt at all?
Yeah, I'm hurt. What you talking about? It's George Floyd. F*** y'all saving my face for. And I'm checking these cameras, so I need to know the location.
Where are
my
you?
daddy. Let me up.
Where are you hurt?
Let me up.
Where are you hurt?
Let me up.
Relax.
You're gonna get tased.
You tase me.
Knock it off.
If you tase me, I'm retaining you, so I'm not doing
Relax.
that. Let me up. That's all I ask.
We're just gonna
Let
pat
me
you down
the
quick.
f up and take this gun out of my motherfucking pocket. Like y'all want. On me.
Sir, you need to back up on the street. You can record. You can record. Just stay
Yes,
there.
record this.
What are you doing?
On me.
What are you doing?
The fuck?
How to do that?
Why did you
I
double lock these cuffs?
Stop.
Stop tying my hands.
No, he's doing it so they don't tighten.
Stop. Hey, you right here. Stop. I want you to touch me.
Stop.
Only let one officer
I gotta double lock the cuffs.
Don't.
Otherwise, they'll get
Let
tighter.
them lock him or they're gonna cinch up. Okay, please let him do that. Please let him do that.
Okay, I only want this officer on me. Please just let you talk to me. Please, respectfully, please, sir, just let me this officer touch me. I don't need three officers.
I'll double lock.
I'm not, okay, double lock it.
Can you roll just on your stomach just for a
Okay,
second?
I just want you to touch me, okay? Please, sir, tell your friends.
I will.
Tell your partner.
I've been cool with you, man.
Take the gun out. It's right there. Take the gun out.
I gotta double lock him.
You got the gun. There's nothing in there. There's nothing up top. One officer touched me. That's all I ask. I'm gonna cooperate as long as you cooperate with me. Okay? I'm gonna cooperate with you guys as long as you cooperate with me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
For a second.
Thank you. Okay, now can you double lock him?
Yep.
You don't. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna do no more. I'm done. Okay, you guys got me. This is what you want.
You need to lift up your hands.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm sorry, sir. I just want you to touch me. You're the only one cooperating me and being respectful. I don't like disrespectful officers.
I gotta pat you down.
Yes,
quick,
pat
okay?
me down. There's nothing more on me yet.
And then we're gonna get you up out of the road. I don't want any of us to get hit.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, wait. Just let me. Yeah. All right. Now grab behind me. Yep.
We got it. 3.
Thank you.
This is your phone?
Yes.
All right. We'll just take a seat here, man. Can I take a look at the nose?
Y'all all
What do you
slamming me.
What do you feel for pain?
Why y'all just stop touching me? Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Tell your friend to stop touching me.
Guys,
I only want you to touch me. You don't have no reason to touch me. You don't have no. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. He's holding my hand.
I don't even know him. I'm recording.
Let me go.
It's just me. It's just me.
I ain't did shit.
I know.
I'm just recording for my boy's safety. I don't even know him. You can check me and all. I put my hands up. I ain't got no scrap or nothing. Yeah, go ahead and check me. No, I can be close to all I want. No, y'all can check me. I don't got no weapon or nothing. That's my homeboy. I can be close. Check me. I don't got no weapons. I'm not a threat. I'm not a threat.
You're not? No.
I'm not a threat. Check me. You gotta check me.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Exactly. I'm not a threat.
I don't want to.
So what's his problem? What's the problem? What's the
I don't
problem?
know. I just got here, man.
I don't either. I don't even know him. Exactly like I said, I don't know him. But what's his problem?
I don't know.
That probably is a problem. I'm just probably here just trying to protect him. And it's probably a problem. I probably could be wrong.
You like
I
saying
don't
problem,
know.
don't you?
I probably could be wrong. I don't know him. I'm from a whole nother state. I'm from South Carolina.
Were you in the car with
I'm
him or what?
from New Jersey originally. I moved to South Carolina. No, I wasn't originally in the car with him. I just came, a girl dropped me off, and I see him getting in an altercation with them, and he on the ground and so I'm recording. But I just leave. If it's a problem,
Yeah, you're good. You're good to
if
go.
I can make it a problem, just let me know right now.
Where you trying to go, man? Around here?
No, I live right there in this hotel.
You're good to go.
No, I'm good to go, but I'm gonna make sure he's good.
He's good.
Making sure he's good.
He's good.
Yeah.
We just don't want you getting too close, right, man?
He probably-
Let go. Let go. I don't want him to touch me. You.
We need to hold on to
I don't get no.
Okay.
You're a disrespectful officer, little piece of shit.
Relax.
You ain't gonna be nobody in life. I make more money than you in a day.
Where do you hurt?
I have 20 racks on y'all right now.
Where do you hurt?
What you talking about? Go check my bank account.
Hey, where do you hurt at?
Where do you hurt?
Hey, where the f is my chain, bro? On my mama.
Where are you hurt?
I'm hurt everywhere. Look the f. Look at my fucking legs. Look at this shit. Y'all want to slam, motherfuckers? Pull my pants up for me.
What's your pain?
Pull my pants up for me.
Okay. Ready? Grab that other side.
Yep. All right, with your p ass. P ass. Write your name on that paper too. Cause I'm getting your ass. You gonna be fired. Ah, you wanna be big bad officer? Yeah. You gonna get your ass off. You put your hands
We'll
up.
get him in the car. Get him going.
What you talking about? Hot. Kim, no. Kim.
I
don't get no. I'm retained. Put me in the car. That's what y'all want to do.
want medical
Put me in the car. I don't want medical protection. I'm perfectly fine. I want to get my whatever I'm doing. If I'm going to jail, put me in the car. If I'm not, then don't put me in the car.
You're going in my car, right?
All right, let me just cool off real quick. What's happening? Can you tell me what's happening? Can y'all get this
You
paperwork?
want to go in the car, you said.
I just want to cool off. I just want to know what's happening. Like, you have to take me to jail or do I get a ticket?
Big breaths. Big breaths. All right. I ran over from that truck stop. Don't know what's going on. I'm trying to work with you, okay? Are you sure you don't want medical attention?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Y'all need medical attention because y'all chasing me and falling. Ha! Busting y'all shit. Time about. Y'all lucky I ain't do the dash on y'all ass on my mama, bro.
Okay, man.
Because y'all would have never got up with me in that car.
It's over.
It's over with.
It's over. This.
That's why your shit broke. Tase me for what? Who said they gonna take? No, don't take me to the car. I'm cooling off.
Let's get him to the car.
Can you tell them not to take me to the car, please? Stop dragging me. I'm gonna stop cussing them. Okay?
Take you to the car.
I'm trying to get air. I don't want to be in a car. I don't want to be in the car. All right, I'll stop cursing. I'll stop talking to the officer. I'll just. Can you guys take me over here? Both of you guys, just right over here.
We gotta go in the car.
Get to the car.
Why are you taking me to the car? Why you gotta take me to the car?
Because you're going to jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's all you
We
said.
gotta search you quick.
Okay. Now, what am I going to jail for?
Do you have any needles?
Nope.
No needles? Nothing's gonna stab me? Okay.
Now, what am I going to jail for?
So far resisting and carrying a concealed weapon.
Okay, now, can I get a bail tonight?
You'd have a cash bond. Possibly.
All right, can I tell my sister? You guys go tell the car right there. That's right there. You guys go tell the car right back there to get my bail money.
That other car?
Yes, that you guys pulled over. Yes.
And we can figure out what that amount's going to be.
Okay. Where's my chain? That's all I care about.
It's on your neck.
Is the boss on it?
Yep, right there.
Okay.
That it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put that right back here. Okay.
All right, sounds good. All right, thank you. What's your name?
Officer Gelman.
All right, Officer Gentleman. I respect you.
Could you be a favor and hop in?
Yeah, I got it.
They would have put me on the ground. No, man, and I ain't getting shit. Up there, man.
You good?
Yep, I'm good.
Yep. You good? So you took a tumble. Okay. Okay.
Oh, here.
Are you involved with this at all?
Yeah, that's my family, bro. I'm trying to hear.
It's your family?
Can you roll him on so I can hear him?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Where'd you come from?
Over here, I live over there.
All right, you can go back over there.
Oh, I'm trying to figure out what he's trying to say.
You can't interfere with this.
I'm not interfering.
Yes, you are.
Investigation,
No, I'm
or else
not.
you're going to be placed under arrest as well.
I'm just trying to see what he's trying.
You need to go.
Hey, speak louder.
Okay, you need to go or else you're interfering with this
All right, bro,
investigation.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, everyone okay?
Yeah, I took a spill, but I'm alright.
We all kind of did.
Well, I mean, I did up here too.
Oh, I
tried
didn't
to
see
stop
that one.
him. I tried to grab him, and then he shrugged me, so then I went for his feet. Just
Okay.
What was the deal up there?
Smelled like weed.
Weed?
Pulled him out, searched him, I lifted up his left sweatshirt pocket, I saw the gun, I said, do not reach for the gun.
Yeah.
And he grabbed onto it,
Jesus.
took off running, was reaching in there, ran, tripped, stood up, tripped, and I tackled him, me and Boardman, whoever was else tackled him.
Huh.
So,
Yeah, good work, guys. You guys are acting really quickly.
thanks for all you guys coming. Helping
Yeah.
us.
done with the tickets if you want to.
So,
Okay. Yeah, she doesn't like me, so.
so she's being released. He's obviously got charges. Is he hurt at all? Injured?
He might be.
He's decentralized.
Yeah, so we'll get medical.
I
Yeah.
asked him numerous times if you want medical, and he said no. He's bleeding from his nose.
Okay, yeah, we'll get him medical then. I doubt medical clearance should take long. And then, yeah, get him to jail.
Okay.
You know Michaela? They're in a car back there, and they wanted to let you know that you could go with them.
I don't need to.
Okay. I don't know if you just want to talk to him, just let him know you don't want to.
So I'll explain these citations to you here, okay? So the first one's going to be driving against traffic on a one-way street. Okay? Second one's going to be for the possession of a false ID. If you want to contest it, that's your court date and time for those citations. Do you have any questions for me about it?
No. I want his badge number 2.
Mine?
Yep.
2492.
Oh, he wasn't here. That was Officer Lang right here.
Yep.
2780.
All right, cool.
Are we getting out of here then?
Yeah, so the call screen's clear.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys are good to go.
Thanks, Sarge.
After Jaden is medically cleared at a nearby hospital, he arrives at the police station with an officer.
Remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
late, so you can't read them to me already.
Don't tell me how to do my job, okay?
I'm already.
Are you willing to talk or no?
No, I'm
okay. Yep, I can.
The female was cited for possession of a false ID and driving against traffic on a one-way street. Jaden was charged with carrying a concealed weapon, and resisting court records indicate, as part of a plea agreement, his sentence was withheld, and he is currently serving 2 years of probation